Soak some dried seaweed in cold water for about 20 minutes. It might not look like much, but it expands a lot once soaked in water. This is beef brisket. Cut the beef into appropriate sizes, not too thick and against the grain for a tender texture. Once the seaweed is well soaked, rinse it once or twice. Squeeze out the moisture, then cut it into suitable sizes. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add the seaweed, beef, stir fry well. Add the garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for soup, 국간장, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And stir fry over high heat until the meat turns brown. Stir frying the ingredients well before boiling enhances the flavor of the soup. Add about 8 cups of water. Add a small onion and let it simmer to enhance the broth flavor. The pot is too small, so I transfer to a larger one. Boil with the lid off until the broth starts to bubble. Then cover and simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes. The longer you cook beef seaweed soup, the deeper the flavor. After 20 minutes, remove the onion. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Season with salt to your taste. Very nutritious and delicious seaweed soup is done.